Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you to the hair factory where I work. They sell Vietnamese human hair, raw hair, virgin hair, and if that's something you're interested in, taking you through the behind the scenes. This is my fit. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and also this headband wig that I got from them. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Make sure you subscribe so you can join the family. Anyways, so today the plan is to go and take some videos and some pictures, and then also to live stream on TikTok so I can make some sales on TikTok. So if you've not yet watched that video on how to make money on TikTok shop, make sure you go and watch it. I'll leave it up here, and then I also included an ebook guide for you guys in case you want to open a TikTok shop but you're restricted due to the country where you come from. I will leave it also in the description down below. Without further ado, let's go to work. This is my ride to the factory.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling.
Hi guys, so now I'm at the hair factory and Miss Mai is just organizing the hair that we are going to shoot today and the deals. So if you've not yet checked out that Instagram page where we post the hair, I'm going to leave it over here, so make sure you go and check it out. But this is so far what she has organized.
Wow,
Saying
it's
her.
very nice.
Yeah, it's really clear because we have these lights. So this is the hair, like you can see. I'm going to show you how the hair looks like. Okay. Okay. So this is the hair. Okay. So this is the water wavy Vietnamese hair with the closure. This is how it looks like. Yeah. Can you see it? You see the material? Guys, if you ever want to sell hair, just sell Vietnamese hair because your customers will be happy with you. Okay, that's how it looks like. So guys, we are done recording the deals. Now we are going to go and do some more admin work. We've recorded different kinds of deals for Remy hair, raw hair, single donor hair. So make sure you check out our Instagram page. If you would like to buy some hair, I'll leave it in the description, and also I'll leave the page over here. Thank you. See you later. I'll give you a tour of the warehouse now. As promised, I'll give you a tour. This is where they pack the hair from, and it goes for shipping. And then me and Mai, we walk upstairs. I hope you can hear me.
Nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me #1. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show on the road. Man, I give them on the go on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Bad man, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag.
Hi guys, so I'm going to show you the last room and then we can go home.
Hey, you did it!
Mommy?
Yeah.
Terrible sandwich, by the way.
Thanks for letting me know.
Really terrible.
Guys, this is where I work and this is where I live stream. So now I'm going to live stream on TikTok because I have a TikTok shop in the UK, like I told you in the other video. So yeah, this is the room and that's the background, and I'm going to place my phone over there on the ring light. So I think I've dragged this YouTube video for a long time. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Love you.
Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Bad man, me handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Bad man, me handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show on the road. Man, I give them on the go on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Bad man, me handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She tell me say her boyfriend 𝑦𝐶. Man, I'm feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can call me YG. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. In at the yard them a burn up.
So this is the different kinds of hair that we sell, the colors and the blocks, and then there is some other hair, and then that's me. Then that's me.